Welcome back to the last part. And what we need to discuss is, of course, the answer to our division problem, which is called the quotient. I'll write it really big over here. So, our quotient, the quotient is the amount that ends up in each group. So, our quotient is the amount in each group it's also the answer to a division problem. So the quotient is the answer to the division problem. Now we can look at this in a couple different ways. So you might also see a division problem set up like this. You have the dividend inside the house. The divisor is the number on the outside of the house. And then the quotient is the answer on top. You also might have a remainder, of course, which is part of the quotient. So you could also look at this. Let's say that we have the number 24. Once again, this is our dividend. It's the number being split into groups. And then we are splitting that number into the amount of groups, which is our divisor. So the dividend is the number being split into groups. The divisor is how many groups we're splitting the dividend into. And then the amount in each group is the quotient. I might have written a little bit small, but it's the same word right here. Quotient, quotient, quotient. Up here it's divisor, dividend, quotient, remainder. And here dividend, divisor, quotient. So what are the parts of a division problem? Our dividend is the number being split into groups, the number being split up. Our divisor is how many groups we split the dividend into. So in this situation, we took the dividend and we're splitting it into 3 groups. Here we took the dividend and we're splitting it into 3 groups, which is the divisor. And then finally, your quotient is the amount in each group. Also commonly known as the answer to a division problem. So if someone asks you, what is a quotient? It's the answer to a division problem. So those are the notes for the day. We'll get more into division strategies here in the future, but these are the words and the vocabulary that are going to help you become division masters. So we'll talk to you next time. See you later. My Lego guy just fell. Oh no. Oh no. Uh-oh.